Hi, this is Sose. This is job opening for the technology senior developer, the tech system company, the location is anywhere. They are looking for 3+ years of experience candidate. The skills must be .NET Core, debugging in Visual Studios, and SQL. The second technology is GXP.NET Developer for the support engineer. The Reality technology, the location is anywhere. The mandatory skills are strongly taught in scripting and development, exposure of work in GXP environment, good Oracle experience in scripting, must have handled PQ test cases, creating and execution activities. And the roles and responsibilities are technical application support, application maintenance, including correction, operational and technical support of development activities. The third technology is ASP.NET Developer for the MNR Solutions Pvt Limited. The location is Bangalore. They are looking for 4 years of experience candidate. The location is Pune, Bangalore, and Noida. And the must-have skills are strong technical design and development skills in C, ASP.NET, MVV, and Entity Framework, Visual Studios, IDE, and Team Foundation Server. And the fourth technology is .NET Developer for the NR Consulting Limited. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. They are looking for 4 to 6 years of experience candidate. The location is Gurgaon. The job descriptions are primarily candidates should work on C#, .NET, and MVC, entity framework like Linux and SQL. Experience in front-end technologies will be added as an advantage. And the fifth technology is .NET Developer for the TransUnion company. The location is Chennai. The job descriptions are 3+ years of .NET experience is required. Experience with .NET framework, high volume and high concurrency application. Past experience with development tools such as Git and Afterry is required. And the links will be given in the video description for these jobs, so you can apply there directly. Please subscribe to the Sose channel for more job details. Thank you.